Okay, really fast. If you want this 3D spatial wallpaper on your iPhone, you need to go to Settings, check your phone is running the latest iOS 26. It will show something like this. iOS 26, your iPhone is up to date. Okay. After this, you need to go into your Photos app. Select the photo which you want to set as the wallpaper. Make sure it is clear and the subject is in the center. Crop that photo in the ratio of wallpaper. Go to this right top icon and select in the middle bottom wallpaper size. Then it will make it full screen. Click on yellow done and see it has made it full screen. So now to make it 3D, click on this small icon. It does the magic trick and it is made it 3D. If you move the phone, you can check. I'll show you in another photo. Crop the photo in wallpaper size so that it becomes full screen. It's very easy to do. Selected wallpaper. It narrows down and then you click done. So see, it has become full screen. To make it 3D, click on this button. It does the magic trick and it's 3D. So now we need to set it as wallpaper. For that, we need to click on this small icon in the bottom left. Select use as wallpaper. It will take to this screen and then the small spatial scene icon. It says generating spatial scene. It takes a while and it makes it 3D. That's on your wallpaper. So now we need to add it and make it permanent. So click on add and then it says set as wallpaper pair. That's completed.